Using Pinterest to order something online is a pretty simple thing to do. So I'm gonna show you exactly how you guys can do it. I will be providing the Pinterest link in the description below so you guys can check it out. And don't forget to watch the complete video to get to know every single detail about it. And if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and share. So what you exactly have to do is to search for the item that you want to buy from the Pinterest. For example, that could be gaming chair. For example, search for it and you will see a bunch of ads right here. For example, this here, and you will see a link to the source file. For example, this is the chair, gaming chair that you can buy, but the link is in the description. Here you guys can see that there's link in the description as well. Here the link in the description as well. You guys can simply go ahead. For example, I'm just gonna go and select one chair. This chair seems a good match. So I'm just gonna go and click on visit website. Right now, you guys can see that it is available on eBay Australia. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the visit website, and from here I can buy this share. This is how you guys can actually do it. And I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please like, subscribe, and share. Take care. Bye bye.